Whatever life throws at you, take it as an opportunity. Take it कि इसमें भी कुछ positive होगा, कुछ नहीं हुआ तो at least experience ही होगा. Hi everyone, my name is Anubhuti Jain Mishra and I am the founder of Anubhuti and Experience, a natural skin and hair care brand. I started Anubhuti in the year 2020, post delivery of my son, Yuvan. Before Anubhuti, I had worked with different corporates for 8 years in Reliance, Genpact, Accenture, Google. When my son was diagnosed with chronic kidney disease during pregnancy, I took up motherhood as a full-time job and I resigned. Entrepreneur journey मेरी start हुई मेरी delivery के बाद. My skin, my hair, they started showing different kind of reactions because युवान की health conditions ऐसी थी कि for first 6 months we were in and out of the hospital. So my body couldn't recover from post pregnancy changes जो हमारी body में होते हैं. So I had lot of acne, hair fall, body fat, and I started trying different commercial products. Natural based products are way too expensive, which a common man or a common woman cannot afford. I started making stuff for myself. It just surprised me. My skin started recovering. When my husband and my sister, they saw the result, they said, why don't you help other women who are in the same scenario as you, and then probably market these products or send them for free, let them try. So this is how the foundation of Anubhuti was done. Then I realized that I need to have certain degree or certain certification. So I went into professional training of formulating skin and hair care products. I launched my first product, that was lip butter, in October 2020. Now we have around 50 plus products on our website. We were not financially very sound because युवान के health expenses काफ़ी सारे थे उस time पे. So both my sisters, they invested in my business and it was just 2,500 rupees, which was too much for me at that point of time. So I bought small quantity materials and I started formulating and pitching on Instagram and Facebook. They received as in around 10 orders on first day of the launch and I was very very happy. We launched our official website anubhutiandexperience.com and now we are there on different e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Paytm, Meesho, Craftsvilla, SpiceMart, my store. Initially I was also not very sure if I'll be able to continue doing this because Yuvan was very small. Then घर वाले भी मुझे बोलते थे कि it's not possible to do it with the ailing kids basically. बहुत लोगों ने मुझसे बोला कि जो है ये अरे शॉप में कर रही है. Yes, initially it was difficult because being a woman, your surrounding does not accept you growing. कि इनिशियली मेरे पास बहुत सारे फंड्स नहीं थे तो मुझे स्मॉल क्वांटिटी में मटेरियल चाहिए होता था. तो वेंडर्स भी वर नॉट वेरी हेल्पफुल क्योंकि उनको लगता था कि अभी छोटा छोटा खरीदेंगी एंड देन लेटर ऑन बंद कर देंगी बिजनेस. बट माई हस्बैंड, माई मदर इन लॉ स्पेशली, दे हैव बीन रियली सपोर्टिंग मी इन दिस जर्नी. The most struggling period of my life, I would say till date, is when we were informed about Yuvan's health. I was 6 months pregnant and it was diagnosed in the womb that he has chronic kidney disease. We were told by a doctor कि आप decide कर लो, the child might be born unwell, he might not survive, he might have some physical deformity or he might be on dialysis for his entire life. So उससे ज़्यादा pain मैंने अपनी life में कभी feel नहीं किया है. Touchwood, Yuvan is here. He's 4 years old. He's fighting. He's still fighting. He's undergoing a treatment. But yes, he's a brave boy and I'm very happy that we did not decide to quit. If I come to the business part, initial phase of my business was full of struggle because if you go to my website, whatever you see there, from the pictures to the products, packaging, shipping, content writing, everything from scratch is done by me. I'm still at a very niche stage, but yes, small achievement that I have done till date, be it all the love and support that I get from my consumer is really overwhelming for me. Getting nominated in so many women magazines, my stories getting covered. Recently I got covered by Women's Web, She the People, Her Story, Dainik Bhaskar. So all these small achievements, this feels like a reward which has come from Almighty. We were shortlisted for Shark Tank and I made it till 3rd round. So I really feel blessed to have all these opportunities coming my way. I started Anubhuti with a vision कि अनुभूति एक ऐसा ब्रांड हो कि कॉलेज गोइंग से लेके वर्किंग क्लास बी इट हाउस वाइफ, एवरीबडी कैन अफोर्ड इट. वो इको फ्रेंडली भी हो, बजट फ्रेंडली हो और स्किन फ्रेंडली हो. एज अ पर्सन और एज अ ब्रांड इट इज़ आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू लिव इन हार्मनी विद द नेचर, बिकॉज एज पर द रिपोर्ट अराउंड 26,000 tons of plastic waste is generated every day from our daily skin and hair care needs. So जितने भी हमारे products हैं they are all free of any kind of harmful chemicals or preservatives, and they are all packed in either glass jars or tin cans. So there is no plastic usage. And that is the mission of Anubhuti कि अनुभूति एक household brand बने, and touch wood I know few years down the line Anubhuti will be found in almost all the households of India.